churning.
Knee slicing.
Mind-blowing.
Mayhem. Every single country we visited was jam-packed with culture and vomit.
I just barfed on a cat. Oh my God!
So much that a lot of it didn't even make the final episode.
Are you kidding me?
This week, we're going to take you on one more trip around the world to show you what you missed.
Whoa, look at this.
First, we head to Cuba and learn what it's like to be a real cowboy.
Cuba's got thousands of horses and cattle.
Somebody's got to corral them.
Yeah!
Driving a herd can be a very difficult task, especially when you haven't done it before.
You do realize I was a cowboy in a former life.
We were expected to lead a group of 30 cows and horses from one ranch 3 miles down the road to another.
Come on, Catfish.
All right, everybody,
We're gonna use the buddy system.
but getting animals to do what you want isn't that easy. Aside from keeping the cattle in line, you have to make sure nothing startles them.
Stan, get out of that grass!
Or even the slightest loud noise could cause a cow to freak out.
All right, we're gonna go across the water.
And if one cow freaks, all the cows freak.
Yeah, come on.
And you know what that means. Stampede.
Catfish, you got it? Yep. Yeah! Ferdinand, you're outside of the fence. Get on the other side. He doesn't even have his swim wings on. Yeah. Oh. Let's get him go. You guys are doing great. Easy, easy, easy. Ice cream for everybody when we get over there.
Once the majority of the herd are in the corral, you have to chase down any strays that wander off.
So let's get this cow. Go. Yeah. Go get him. Yeah. Yeah, Catfish. That was good, huh? I did notice that you had a saddle, though. That must have been comfortable.
There was one more horse to corral, and I was going to do it my way.
Ready?